significant political development, opposition parties have begun collecting signatures from members of parliament to move a motion seeking the removal of Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar. According to sources, opposition has accused the Chief Election Commissioner of partisan and discriminatory conduct in office, along with several other serious allegations. The move is considered significant because the Chief Election Commissioner can only be removed by Parliament through a process similar to the one used for removing judges of the Supreme Court of India or High Courts. If the notice is formally submitted, it would mark the first time in India's history that such a motion has been initiated to remove a Chief Election Commissioner. Opposition parties have repeatedly accused the election body of favoring the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. They claim that genuine voters are being disenfranchised and allege that the Commission's actions are indirectly helping the ruling party in what they describe as vote chori or the stealing of votes. According to the law, the Chief Election Commissioner cannot be removed from the office except through the same process and on the same grounds as those applied for removing a judge of the Supreme Court. Sources say that the notice lists 7 charges against the Chief Election Commissioner. These include allegations of partisan and discriminatory conduct, deliberate obstruction of investigations into electoral fraud, and large-scale disenfranchisement of voters. Meanwhile, around 120 MPs have so far signed the notice to be submitted in the Lok Sabha, and around 60 MPs have signed the notice to be submitted in the upper house, the sources added. Under parliamentary rules, at least 100 MPs must sign a notice in the Lok Sabha and 50 MPs in the Rajya Sabha to initiate proceedings seeking the removal of the Chief Election Commissioner.